This is a cool thing too is, so we always talk about trucks, but basically anything that can't fit inside of a car wash, this is home for you. So you guys are doing a washout here. And we had an RV over here. It's $1.50 per foot as opposed to $2. So if you're around Thousand Palms and you're passing through here on your way to your campsite or coming back from camping and you want to get washed, come on a Friday and you'll get that manager special. It's intense, right? These are our mono brushes. We got a lounge area where you can relax. How you doing?
Good.